Hope you will be fine. Our next topic is electroplating of zinc, and electroplating of zinc is similar to electroplating of copper or silver, and electroplating of zinc included. In this electroplating, we use zinc as a anode, electrode of zinc as an anode, and cathode as a target material. We want to be deposit on which we want to be deposit zinc and make a layer of zinc on the target material. It may be iron sheet or it may be spoon or anything. When we supply electricity through battery, electrolysis take place, and the zinc electrode dissolves in the solution, electrolytic solution of zinc sulfate, providing zinc cation, and the electron will move through external circuit, move towards the cathode, and zinc cations move towards the cathode, migrate towards the cathode, where they will again accept electron and reduction take place, and they will deposit on the target material at cathode. Similarly, electroplating of tin is also same. This is usually electroplated on steel, and by placing the steel into a container containing solution of tin salt, and the steel is connected to an electrical circuit acting as a cathode. Steel in this uh, electroplating of tin, steel act as a cathode and tin act as a anode, and we dip cathode and anode in the salt solution of tin, and we will apply electricity. The procedure is same as we discussed with zinc. Next, electrolytic refining of copper. Impure copper is refined by the electrolytic method in the electrolytic cell. Electrolyte cell, impure copper act as a anode and a pure copper act as a cathode. So when we apply electricity, impure copper will dissolve and will oxidize to form copper plus 2 cuprous ions, and as iron when gain plus 2 charge convert into ferrous ion, similarly it will convert into cuprous ion, and it will migrate, pure copper will migrate towards the cathode and will deposit on the cathode, which have already pure metal of copper, and impurities will dissolve in the solution and left behind in the solution. Oxidation take place at the cathode, reduction take place at the anode. Oxidation take place at the anode and reduction take place at the cathode. The copper ions present in the solution are attracted to the cathode, where they gain electrons from the cathode and become neutral and deposit on the cathode. In the process, impure copper is eaten away and purified copper's atom deposit on the cathode. Similarly, next our topic is tertiary cell 7.7. You can also watch here the procedure of diagram of the refining of copper in an electrolytic cell. You can see the impure copper, pure copper is present in cathode, and impure copper present at cathode. When we apply when we dip both electrode, anode and cathode into the copper sulfate solution, when the reaction start, and when we apply electricity and electrolysis take place, impure copper rod will start to dissolve, and copper will convert into cuprous ions and will migrate towards the cathode, which have also pure copper, already have pure copper, and the impure copper from impure rod, copper rod will migrate towards the, in the form of cations, cuprous ions migrate towards the pure copper cathode and accept electron, where it accept electron and deposit on the pure copper electrode, and the impurities in the copper rod will be left behind in the solution, and and purified copper atom deposits on the cathode. Similarly, our next 7.7 define electroplating, and the definition is the first line, and how electroplating of zinc is carried out, in which you can write the electroplating of zinc. You can write the answer of paragraph of electroplating of zinc, and